Gabrielle Union, the timeless actress, is turning up the heat during her family vacation in Miami. Let's dive into the details of her sun-soaked escape and the stunning snapshots shared on social media. Sipping cocktails and soaking up the sun, the Bring It On star, at the age of 51, showcased her radiant confidence as she lounged on a chaise, sipping a fancy cocktail in a skimpy purple bikini. The sultry photos, taken by her husband Dwyane Wade, provide a glimpse into their beachfront bliss. Caption from Gabrielle Union's Instagram: Sippin' and sunnin', a family affair by the shore. The vacation wasn't just about solo relaxation. Gabrielle and Dwyane Wade, celebrating nearly 10 years of marriage, later took a dip in the water together. Their adorable daughter, Kavya, 5, watched from the shore, expressing her concern. Kavya said, "Mommy, don't fall in the ocean!" Embracing joy and togetherness, the family vacation radiated joy and togetherness, as evidenced by heartwarming moments like Gabrielle Union cuddling under an umbrella with her daughter Kavya. These shared glimpses on social media captivated fans, showcasing the beauty of their family bond. Gabrielle Union's Miami getaway not only highlighted her ageless beauty, but also celebrated the joy of family moments. As fans continue to admire her confidence and connection with loved ones, it's clear that the actress knows how to savor life's precious moments.